The winner of this year's Great British Bake Off hit TV show told news reporters that her faith in Jesus carried her through the UK's most watched cooking TV show. Jasmine Mitchell, just 23, is the youngest contestant in the series to win Star Baker of the Week 5 times, and is the second person ever to achieve it. She said, "My faith has become stronger and stronger over the last year. Being under the high pressure of TV really pushed me to rely on God and Jesus, because there were a lot of situations where I just felt completely unequipped for." Jasmine said she applied for a place on the show on a complete whim, after a friend encouraged her to try for a place. Her love of baking stemmed from hospitality being at the heart of her Christian upbringing. "I've grown up in a family which gathers around food," she shared. "I've learnt a lot from my mom, aunts, family and friends, who love bringing people together around the table." Jasmine recalled the Lord's Prayer being a mantra of peace during stressful times on the show. "In tense moments during the show, I would just pray the Lord's Prayer a lot in my head. It didn't take away the stress, but I felt like God was walking along beside me with it."